Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back again. Please take out your book Pre-Primary English. Hold your pencil, take out the eraser and get ready for the work. Now mention the CW on the top of the page, mention the date on the left corner. As you can see on page number 70. On this page here we have a concept of and but. Now listen to me carefully. When we will talk about more than one things in one sentence, then we will use and. Like here I am talking about library and museum. I am talking about two places in one sentence. So I will use and. Okay? She likes to go to the library and the museum. And when we will talk about comparison, we want to make comparison between two things or two persons, two places, then we will use but. Like here we have a sentence, I can stay in the hotel, but Faisal can not. Here I am making a comparison between two persons, I and Faisal. I can do this, but Faisal cannot. Okay, when we will talk about the comparison, we want to make comparison between two persons, two things, then we will use but. When we will talk about more than one things, more than one place, more than one person in one sentence, we will use and. हम एंड कब यूज़ करेंगे? जब हम एक सेंटेंस में, एक जुमले में दो चीज़ों के बारे में बात करेंगे, दो जगहों के बारे में बात करेंगे, दो लोगों के बारे में बात करेंगे, तो हम उसके लिए एंड यूज़ करेंगे. लाइक शी लाइक्स टू गो टू द लाइब्रेरी, उसको लाइब्रेरी जाना पसंद है. एंड द म्यूजियम और म्यूजियम. आई गो टू स्कूल टू लर्न हाउ टू रीड डैश राइट. नाउ अगेन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट two things in one sentence. What would you use? Yes, you should use and in this blank. I can stay in the hotel. मैं होटल में क़याम कर सकती हूँ, रुक सकती हूँ. Dash Faisal cannot. Now I am making a comparison between two persons, I and Faisal. What would you use here? And or but? Yes, we will use but here. The doctors in hospital can treat the sick. Dash the nurses cannot. Now again I am making a comparison, so we should use but in this blank. Mother goes to the market to buy fruit dash vegetables. Now I am talking about two fruits in one sentence. Yes, we should use and in this blank. An ostrich can run dash cannot fly. Now I am making comparison between two natures of an ostrich. An ostrich can run but cannot fly. The boys in the school can cook dash cannot sew. Now again I am making comparison between two things, between two natures. Yes, we will use but here. The mosque is on Mall Road dash the library in on Lower Mall. Now again I am talking about two places in one sentence. I am not making a comparison. Yes, so we should use and in this blank. He likes to go to the airport dash not the railway station. Now here we have a comparison in two things, between two things. So we should use but in this blank. Zafar works in a police station dash Anwar works in a fire station. Now I am talking about two persons, but here we have single sentence, one sentence. So we should use and in this blank. Now come on the next page. Now again mention the CW on page number 71. Mention the date on the left corner. On this page here we have some symbols as you can see. And we have to cross out the wrong answer. Like this arrow is indicating the right turn. And we have to cross the wrong answer. So which one is the right answer? Turn right. Yes, this arrow is indicating the right turn. So we should cross out the left turn. Turn left. Now this arrow is indicating the left turn. So we should cross out the right turn here. This arrow is indicating the turn around, that you can turn around on the road. So we should cross out the turn up. This arrow is indicating the go up. So we should cross out the go down. We have to cross out the wrong answer. This is the right answer, go up, because this is indicating the upside. This arrow is indicating the straight, that we can move straight on the road. So we should cross out the come down. Okay, cross out the come down. This arrow is indicating the downside. Okay, that you can go down. So we should cross out the go up. Now turn off the next page. These two pages are as your HW, so mention the HW on the top of the page. On this page, as you can see, here we have a boy, Yasir. Yasir wants to go to school. Now check which turn should he take, right or left. Yes, he should take right turn, so you should underline the turn right. Like this, you will do this page. And on this page, here you have to follow the symbols. Okay, then fill these blanks with the correct symbol. Now turn off the next page, page number 74. On this page, as you can see, here we have occupations. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. Okay, we have to fill the blanks with the correct word. Like as you can see, here we have a teacher. And the blank is Mrs. Akbar is a teacher. Pronounce the word and try to find out here. Yes, teacher. So fill this blank with this word. She teaches dashed how to read and write. Whom will she teach? Yes, she will teach the children. She teaches children to read and write. Try to find out the children. Pronounce the word in this column, children, and write it from here to here in this blank. Now look carefully at this person. Who is he? Yes, he is a policeman. Mr. Aslam is a policeman. Try to find out the word here. Yes, policeman. Tell it from here, write it from here to here in this blank. Now tell me, whom will he catch? Yes, he will catch the robbers. He catches robbers. Pronounce the word. Try to find out here, robbers. Yes, here is the word. Write it from here to here in this blank. Now look carefully at this person. Who is she? Yes, my mother is a nurse. Pronounce the word. Try to find out here. Nurse. The sound of M. Yes, here is the word. Tell it from here. Write it from here to here in this blank. She takes care of dash people. Now think carefully. Whom will she take care of? Yes, she will take care of sick people. She takes care of sick people. Sick. Pronounce the word. Write it from here to here in this blank. Now the next blank is, who is he? Look carefully at the person. Yes, Danish is a postman. Danish is a postman. Pronounce the word. Tell it from here. Postman. Write it from here to here in this blank. He deliver dash. What will he deliver? Yes, he will deliver the letters. He will deliver the letters. He deliver letters. Letters. Pronounce the word. Try to find out here. Letters. Write it from here to here in this blank. Now look carefully at this person. What do you think? Who is he? Yes, my uncle is a dentist. My uncle is a dentist. Pronounce the word dentist. Write it from here to here in this blank. He checks and treats people's dash. Now tell me, what will he check and how should he treat the people? Yes, he checks and treats people's teeth. People's teeth. Pronounce the word. Tell it from here. Write it from here to here in this blank. Now come on the next page. Now this page is as your HW. On this page we have again rearranged words. We have to again rearrange the words to form sentences. Okay. Now mention the HW on the top of the page. Mention the date on the left corner. Enter now the next page, page number 76. On this page, here we have CW. Mention the CW on the top of the page. Mention the date on the left corner. Here we have some blanks, as you can see on this page. Here we have some blanks. We have to fill these blanks with these pronouns. Okay, pronouns are the words which we are using instead of noun. And what is noun? Noun is the name of person, place or thing. And if we want to talk about a person, place or thing, and we don't want to use her name, his name or its name, then we will use these pronouns. Like I want to talk about myself, but I don't want to use my name. Then I will say I am a fisherman or woman. I'm not using my own name, but I'm using I to present myself. Instead of my name, I'm using I. Okay. I want to talk about you, but I don't want to use your name. So I will say you are a boy. Okay. Means अगर मैं बात करना चाह रही हूँ किसी के बारे में, अपने बारे में, और मैं नाम नहीं लेना चाह रही, तो मैं यूज करूंगी प्रोनाउन दिस वर्ड लाइक इंस्टेड ऑफ माई नेम. अपने नाम की जगह मैं यूज करूंगी आई. अगर मैं आपके बारे में बात करना चाह रही हूँ और आपका नाम नहीं लेना चाह रही, तो मैं आपके बारे में बात स्टार्ट करूंगी यू से. ये वर्ड्स कहलाते हैं प्रोनाउन, जो कि हम इंस्टेड ऑफ नाउन नाम की जगह यूज करते हैं. लाइक हम नाम नहीं ले रहे, बात हम उसी चीज के बारे में कर रहे हैं, अपने बारे में कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हम उनकी जगह ये वर्ड यूज कर रहे हैं जो कि प्रोनाउन कहलाते हैं. माई नेम इज अकमल. नाउ अकमल इज टॉकिंग अबाउट हिमसेल्फ. अकमल अपने बारे में बात कर रहा है. Which pronoun would he use from here? Dash am a fisherman. I or you? Yes. Whenever anyone talk about himself, herself, he would use I. So you should write I from here to here in this blank. Dash are policeman. R. R is presenting that here we have more than one person. Let's continue reading. Our job is to catch robbers. Our means they are talking about their self. Okay. And whenever anyone or more than one person talk about their selves, we will use word we. We will use pronoun we. We are policemen. Our job is to catch robbers. Now here we have the cat is in the classroom. Dash is sleeping. Whenever we will talk about an animal or about a non-living thing, we will use word it. Okay, we will use pronoun it. So let's try to find out the pronoun it. Yes, here is. Write it from here to here in this blank. Next blank is dash are sick. You must go and see the doctor. Now here I am talking about you. So I will say you are sick. With you we will always use helping verb are. You must go and see the doctor. Now come on the next sentence. My sisters are nurses. Now I am talking about more than one persons. Dash take care of the sick. I am talking about their selves. Okay, so I will use pronoun they. They take care of the sick. The fireman is putting out the fire. I'm talking about single person, about a fireman. Okay, so I will use, I don't want to use his name, I will use he. For boy we will use he. For girl we will use she. He is a brave man. Amna is a clerk. Now I'm talking about a single girl. Dash works in a bank. Now I don't want to use her name again here in the blank. So I would say she. I will use she from here to here in this blank. She works in a bank. My father is a doctor. I'm talking about my father, a single person, single man. Dash treats sick people. I'm talking about a single person, about my father, so I will say he. I will use pronoun he. Dash am a postman. Now I'm talking about myself, so I will use pronoun I. Miss Amna is hungry. I don't want to use her name again in this blank. Dash is eating in the canteen. Use pronoun she here. Okay, she is eating in the canteen. Because I am talking about a girl, about a single girl, so I will use pronoun she here. I hope all of you have finished your work with me. Now keep your work in practice at home. I will come soon with next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.